I have opened the 4 terminals again, so I'm going to read a file which is about 60 MB. So I'm just going to read it in this variable in all these sessions, and I will save this file as I'll save this file in first session. So you can see that this is about 64 MB getting written, so it's completed. Let's look at what is the percentage that is written to the memory. We can see that as and when I keep adding more and more files, it does not add to the memory, instead it gets added to the SSD. So I'm just going to save that file again. It was 123. The session limit is reached, so it just saves the file to SSD instead of saving it in memory. So even though there is enough space in the RAM, but it doesn't save to the RAM, it is moved to the SSD. Let me show it again. So you can see that it increased to 431 MB. The RAM still remains at the same size. This is 178 MB. So as and when we write the files, it keeps increasing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write a few more files to it. So as to just verify that the SSD is getting filled now, so that I can spill into HDD. But before that, I just want to see what happened to the blocks. So as you can see that the block size each is 2 MB, so you can see that it's not in memory. There's nothing in memory right now, so everything is spilled to the SSD. At the same time, we should be able to view from logs that session ID. So if I look at the session ID, I see that the table is printed where the maximum is reached. That's why it's spilling out to SSD. And next, when the SSD is full, it will start spilling to HDD. So that would be the behavior of the allocator.